In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom properties in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to personalize your customer interactions or streamline your data management, creating custom properties can be an invaluable tool. Let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by entering hubspot.com into your browser's address bar. HubSpot is a comprehensive software and tools platform that helps businesses of all sizes. Once you've reached the homepage, you'll be greeted with a wealth of resources and options, but for today, let's focus on logging in. Locate the Login button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your HubSpot portal where you can access all your business tools and data, enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit the login button. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that as well. This added layer of security ensures your data remains protected. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot home. This is your dashboard where you can see an overview of your team's activities, reports, and analytics. From here, the next step is to head over to the settings. You can find the settings option by clicking on the gear icon, generally located in the navigation bar on the top side of your screen. After clicking settings, you will be directed to a new page filled with various options and tools to customize your HubSpot experience to suit your business needs. This is where you'll manage everything from your account settings to your company's details. Now within the settings, look for the properties section. This could be categorized under data management or CRM, depending on any updates to the platform's user interface. Clicking on properties will give you access to a list of all the properties currently available in your HubSpot account. Properties in HubSpot terms can be considered as fields that store specific data pieces about objects, like contacts, companies, or deals. Here's where you can begin creating a new property. Look for the Create Property button, which should be prominent on this page. Click on it, and you'll enter the creation wizard, which guides you through the process of defining a new property. You'll need to input various details such as the property name, type of data it will hold, like a single line text, drop down or a number, and any other pertinent details required for your new property. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently create custom properties in HubSpot to better manage and customize your business's data management needs. Create as many custom properties as you need to ensure that your HubSpot CRM is perfectly aligned with your specific business requirements. Keep exploring and leveraging the endless possibilities that HubSpot offers to enhance your customer relationship management strategies.